Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is a Puerto Rico vacation outfit. So I'm gonna be showing you every outfit I packed for Puerto Rico. It's just 4 days as I told you, so it's a quick one. Also, the main reason is seeing my family, so you'll see that the outfits are for that type of person. So let's start this Puerto Rico vacation outfits. This is look number 1. So I have this skirt until the ankles with this cut here, so it's a very nice skirt as you can see. And also I put this men's long sleeve blouse, so I just did like a knot here and put it under because I don't want to see the things hanging here. If you want to hang, then you can let it hang, but I didn't like it, so I just put it inside. This I'm just gonna put the bottom, so I'm gonna bottom it, and then if I feel that I'm hot, then I'll just put it like right here, both. So this is the look. This can go either with sandals or sneakers. I'm gonna do it with white sneakers. Outfit number 2, and it's for the same day as I get there to Puerto Rico. I arrive in Puerto Rico in the morning, but I'm gonna change at night because I have a girls' night out. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing with my friends for a girls' night out. And I'm probably gonna do it with white sneakers too, just to be comfortable. I think this is pretty sexy and yeah, fun. So I just want to keep it a little bit low-key and just put white sneakers and just be comfy, but at the same time be sexy, so it's quite fun. This is a set, so this is a skirt, and as you can see, the skirt is like longer in this side and shorter in this side. So yeah, it's pretty cute. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing for the night with my girls. And yeah, outfit numero 3. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna wear it for Saturday or Sunday. Either way, Saturday and Sunday I'm just gonna be visiting my family, seeing my family and spend time with them. So Saturday I'm gonna see my grandpa, and then Sunday I'm gonna spend it with my brothers and my nieces. So I'm still not sure if I'm gonna use this for Saturday or Sunday, but either way, this is an outfit I'm gonna take with me because I'm gonna wear it either Saturday or Sunday. So this is a high-waisted shorts, and it's like a blue with white lines, horizontals, and then it has pockets, which is really nice. As you can see, also these shorts are not that short. They're quite they're not short, so they're like a little longer, which is really nice, but they're very comfortable. And then I pair it with this strapless tube, white tube, so this is just a basic one. And I'll probably do it also with white sneakers. Outfit numero 4, a red dress. So it has this cut here in the left leg, and it's quite like below the knee with the cut here. So it's just a very beautiful, simple red dress. And also, guess what? I'm gonna wear it with white sneakers. And I think I made up my mind, so I think I'm gonna wear this for Saturday, and then the shorts with the white crop tube I'm gonna wear it on Sunday, because Sunday I'm gonna spend it with my brothers and my nieces, so it's a little bit more casual. And then this I'm gonna wear it for Saturday because I think we're gonna just have lunch with my grandpa, and then also at night I'm gonna see another cousin and have dinner. So I think this is a little bit more dressy to just go for lunch and dinner with them. And then on Sunday with the shorts, I'll just be at my place. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 5. So there we have Potter. So I have this skinny white jeans. They're from Big Star. They're really comfortable. So I pair it with this top. So it's like off the shoulders with distance here around the shoulder. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Also, I'm gonna pair it with sneakers, I think. So yeah, probably this will be the outfit for Monday, which is the last day, I guess. This is outfit numero 6, and this is the outfit to come back to New York City. So this is just the outfit for the plane, for the airport. So I just put this black biker shorts, and this is the same men's blouse, the long sleeve men's blouse that I'm gonna wear to go to San Juan, Puerto Rico on the airport with the skirt I showed you, the first outfit. So this is the same. I'm just gonna leave it like this outside, and it looks totally different with the biker shorts. So also with these sneakers, and that's my look to come back to New York City. So that is it for this Puerto Rico vacation outfits. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Let me know which outfit was your favorite one. Put it there in the comments below because I would love to know, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Mwah.